This is one of my big dreams since when I was a kid. Look at this. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Alam niyo, mabigat siya. Hello everybody, this is Michelle and welcome back to our vlog. So for today's video, isasama ko kayo sa ating last shoot. Hindi ito pinaka-last, kasi babalik pa tayo. Pero dahil nga pauwi tayo ng Pilipinas, consider natin na last shoot natin to bago umuwi ng Pinas. So guys, sasali po tayo ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025! And syempre, representative po ako ng Oriental Mindoro. Yes, may mga dala tayong mga extra na damit. And syempre, may mga designer din po tayo nakasama today. At syempre, ipapakilala ko yun sa inyo mamaya, kaya samahan niyo ako today. And guys, ang shoot na to is para po sa posting na ako na po yung official na mag-represent ng Oriental Mindoro sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. So ngayon guys ay November 9, pero ang flight natin November 10. So after ng shoot natin, alam niyo na yung dapat gawin natin. Kailangan na natin mag-pack ng mga gamit agad na dadalhin sa Philippines kasi nga wala na tayong time. Alam niyo guys, excited ako. And this is my comeback sa pageantry. So sana ay manood kayo sa aking journey. At syempre, isasama ko kayo. Hindi kayo pwedeng mawala sa ganun. Basta. And guys, i-vlog ko lahat. I-document ko lahat. Pwedeng hindi. Sana ay manood kayo. Let's go! Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa studio. Grabe, sobrang ganda.
Wow.
Ang ganda. Sobrang laki. And first time ko lang po mag-shoot ng ganito ka bongga na. Tignan nyo naman yung ilaw. As in, sobrang ganda, promise. Nung una kong pumunta dito, sobrang amazed na amazed ako. I mean, nung unang kita ko, amazed na amazed ako. Grabe. Guys, ito yung pinaka-shoot. Sobrang laki. And then may makeup area dun sa kabila. Ang dami. And syempre, makikita mo din yung sarili mo kasi may TV. Tama po ba? Pag nag-shoot dito, makikita mo yung sarili sa TV. Ang galing, grabe. So guys, ito po ay Soul Trop Studio. Ito na yung location kung gusto nyo magbonggang shoot. Alam nyo kahit birthday, like birthday shoot, wedding, mga ganyan-ganyan. Diyos ko, dito na kayo pumunta. Mga fashion shoot, ganyan. So guys, ito yung makeup area. Tignan nyo naman. Oh, kita nyo ba yan? Grabe. Alam nyo, since Miss Universe yung isushoot natin ngayon, nung unang pasok ko dito at nakita ko yung pinakang shoot, grabe na-feel ko talaga, oh my God, this is it. Ganun talaga, be. Sobrang ganda. So guys, wait na lang natin yung ating makeup artist, designer, and photographer. Let's go! Grabe! Parang ang unti ng dala mo, pero kabog lahat ng laman. Wow. Paano nagkasya to sa maliit na maleta? Puro bato. Ay, bagay ito sa crown me, ano? Gold. Guys, ang daming gown natin na isusuot. Pero hindi natin alam kung masusuot to lahat. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Pero may padating pang isa. Guys, so this is my makeup. So guys, this is our finished look. Wow! Guys, ito yung first look natin. Straight lang tayo. So magbibase muna ako. Balikan ko kayo. Guys, this is the first look. Big dream since when I was a kid. And here I am wearing this sash. Wala na, may nanalo. Let's change now. first outfit done! Yan ang next. 9 to go. Grabe guys, sobrang nai-excite ako this coming pageant. Kasi yung aura nung studio, nakaka-pageant. Tsaka yung music, nakaka-hype, ganun. So okay, next outfit. Hey guys, next outfit! Guys, ang color natin is color blue. Kung kanina white, ito naman may touch ng blue and white. A little bit white.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
Okay guys, so done. On to the next outfit. Outfit number 3. Kulit pala tayo ng ating prinsesang Mami 30. Makeup artist na, hairstylist pa, di ba Mi?
Ganun dito sa Dubai. Hairstylist ka na, makeup artist ka pa.
Hey guys, ngayon is kulot time. New look tayo. Kung kanina straight, ngayon naman magkukulot tayo ng hair. Let's go!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right.
Okay guys, ito na yung next look
But if I
natin.
lay
Let's
down
go!
and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the
Hey guys, this is our third outfit. Look at this. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Alam niyo, mabigat siya. Pero ang ganda. Miss Grand International.
Wow.
Look at the earrings. Tara na, mag-shoot na tayo. Hey guys, last outfit. So yan guys, so tayo, it's a wrap! Thank you so much sa pagsama sa ating show! At ito pa yung result ng mga pictures. Salamat sa pagsama sa shoot natin! Look at our last outfit. Guys, alam nyo, yung oras namin, hindi ko na mabilang. Kasi, to be honest, kung tatanungin nyo kung ilang oras kami nag-shoot, hindi ko maalaman kasi paikot-ikot yung katawan ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na, hindi ko nga nahawakan yung phone ko kahit isang beses. Sobrang nag-enjoy, mas na-excite ako. This shoot makes me feel so excited. Woo! And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next vlog. Bye-bye!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me